Okay, so what is the free plugin that you are going to get today? Okay, and you can see that this is what the video ends up looking like. You can play the video just as usual, and you can see that this download the plugin. Okay, so free instant download. Let's click it. And there it is. Enter your email, free instant download, checkbox, picture. I can change the picture size a little bit, etc. to make it so that it fits better. Let me pause the video. Okay, and YouTube has gotten way cooler looking, which is awesome. You can see down here. Love the new YouTube video player. It just looks great. The border I added, I don't love. That's on the sides here and kind of around down the bottom. But that's the deal. When people scroll over the video, the bar gets out of the way. When people want to get to the bar, they can get to the bar and click that for the pop-up. Pretty cool deal. Of course, it doesn't have to be a pop-up. It can redirect. It can be a direct download button. It can be a redirect to a different page with an opt-in. It can be anything you want. It can be a link to anything that you want. But that's pretty much the deal. And that's the plugin that we're doing today. This is the premium version. Hello and welcome to a series of webinars where every single webinar you get one free plugin that you can use for yourself on your own sites. And I'll show you how to use it on the webinar. So what you can do is you can download it before the webinar starts. You can follow along. You can set it up at the same time that I set it up on my webinar. And by the end of the webinar, you'll have a new plugin working for your business. So that's pretty cool. Now, if you want even extra advantages, you have the option to be able to give away the plugin and even sell the premium version of the plugin. And all you have to do to get that in your hands is either get one of my bonuses at freelaunchbonus.com that offers this package of free plugins that you can give away and premium plugins that you can sell. Or you can join the plugin club, and you'll also get access to these webinars, the webinar recordings, as well as all of the plugins that you can give away and sell. So you can give away plugins to build your list, you can sell plugins to make money, and I'm going to show you some really cool ways to use plugins as bonuses, etc., just like I do. And it's going to be a price point that you won't believe. So anyways, this is the first free plugin giveaway webinar. You will find a button or a link or something around this video or in this video that gives you access to the free plugin download. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the plugin. And I'm inside of my 2015 free launch bonus site. And this is where I have my bonuses for 2015. And let's go ahead and go to plugins and add new. Okay, and I'm going to click upload plugin. And we're going to be uploading the full version of the plugin. The light version has a couple of limitations that I will get to and show you. The light version is what you get for free, and the full version you can get super cheap if you just want to buy it, or if you want to sell them, you can get those also super cheap. So let's install right now. This is called WP Tube Maximizer, and we're going to activate the plugin. And that's it. It's that easy to install, and we're going to hit refresh just to make sure that it's there, and it already is. Here it is right here, WP Tube Maximizer. So let's go over here, and for starters, I'm just going to create a demo. This is not for real. There's a lot of different options that you can use with Tube Maximizer, and basically it's giving you the options to put buttons and pop-ups and opt-in forms in your YouTube videos, which is a really cool feature. People have been able to do it before with things like Easy Video Suite, different things like that. Easy Video Suite works really good with YouTube. It does have one problem that may have been fixed now, so I'll get into that as well. If you already have Easy Video Suite is probably a little bit better, except for the fact that you have to control it from inside of your site, whereas this one, inside of the Easy Video Suite control area, whereas this one lets you have a separate control area in each website, which is nice if you want to sell the website or do something like that, so that the new owner can still control the videos, change the buttons, do everything, and it's all inside of WordPress instead of a separate off-site panel. Okay, so here is the deal. We've got the title, and this is going to be a pop up opt-in. Okay, actually we're gonna call this a two-step pop-up opt-in. Okay, and the YouTube video URL, so let's go over to YouTube. Okay, and so here's the Webinar Jam bonus, and if you got the Webinar Jam through me,
Thank you so much.
then you will get access to 12 months worth of, or 12 times worth of these webinars and these plugins that you can sell and give away to build your list and make money. Okay, so this is the video I'm going to use. We're going to go ahead and paste that URL inside of there. We're going to have the video autoplay off for now, and the video start time will be at the beginning, but if you want it to start at a certain point at the video, for example, if you want to cheat and skip somebody's introduction if it's somebody else's video, and you want to monetize it, that's something that you could possibly do. There's a bunch of other reasons why you might want to hit a specific point inside of a specific video to make a specific point to your audience. Okay, so let's add the video, and that's the deal with that. So now we have all the design and content options. So I'm going to leave all of these pretty much the same. No background image, no border. Actually, let's go ahead and see what the border looks like. I haven't actually played with it that much. Okay, so there we have it. Border radius, none. Pop-up design. So the pop-up, I'm going to make 700 and I'll just make it 800 by 600. And the font family. And the text color on the pop-up, I'm going to make white. And the background color, I'm going to make a nice dark gray color. Okay, and the background image. Hold on while I grab my background image. So you can just upload the background image just like that. Pretty cool. Choose that photo. Boom, there it is. Background no repeat. Okay, and border, we're going to keep everything clean. And that's good. So we're going to save that change. Okay, so that is the design. Then we're going to have top content or bottom content or both. And this is basically a little strip that's going to be above the video, or I mean inside the top of the video or inside the bottom of the video. I prefer bottom. It's where YouTube puts ads, etc. It makes a lot of sense to me. But if you want something popping up from the top too, that's fine. You can also just add a little title in the top or something like that if you want to rename the video, kind of a thing. I'm going to go straight to bottom content, and I'm going to show the bottom content. And then we're going to go ahead and go to the background color. We're going to make it a little bit lighter, something like that. Okay. Show hide. There we go. Show hide the title. Download this plugin free. Now I'll end up switching this video out with the new video, and that's what we'll be using for that. So that's the deal with that. The font is going to be white. That's great. Okay, we're going to turn on the button, and the button is going to be click here to download. That actually makes this free instant access and instant download. So I'll replace the video with the video that I'm creating right now, and then we'll have the way to download the plugin that you're seeing right now. So that's pretty cool. Again, the free plugin is the light version, and that means that you do not have the option to restrict a video. Basically, that restricts it to specific user status in WordPress, and then you don't get the statistics on the video views, etc., and you don't get to use opt-in forms. Obviously, you want opt-in forms, so get the premium one. I'll be selling it for like a couple dollars, something like that. Or you can join my monthly club for like a couple dollars, or maybe a little bit more. Actually, the price will be rising I'll start it at $2 and we'll raise the price up. And for the people who get in at the beginning, $2 a month, and you get a new plugin every month. You get a new video of me explaining how to use the plugin, and you get some advertising tips as well. That's kind of the deal. You'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing and copy me or do your own thing. So download the plugin. Okay, the button style, cool. We're going to, the button can redirect to a URL, can display an opt-in form or display a pop-up. The opt-in form is also a type of pop-up. Okay, so the form title is download now, just enter your info. Okay, and the form code, so we're going to go to SendReach. Okay, and we're going to go to my mailing list. Okay, and we have opt-in forms. Okay, and there is my opt-in form. Okay, so we're going to plug that in. And okay, so there's no name field, so I'll turn that off. And show the form label. Okay. And that's the deal. So let's save the change. Okay, and our video is complete and ready to go. You can see the statistics will end up showing up here. You can see how many views, etc. Very cool stuff. Button clicks, pop-up button clicks, etc. We could put buttons inside the pop-ups, buttons on top of the video, and that's the deal. So now we're going to go to create a new, actually let's go to add a new page. We'll keep it simple for now. So download this to Maximizer plugin for free. Okay, and I need to set the featured image to the product shot. Actually, let's use a different one I have. Oh no, it needs to be the free cover. Oops. Okay, set featured image. And there it is. That's the free version. Okay, and then we're going to click on this shortcode button here, and two-step pop-up opt-in. That's the one I want to select, and insert video. And then we're going to go ahead and save draft. And let's do a preview. Okay, and you can see that this is what the video ends up looking like. You can play the video just as usual, and you can see that this download the plugin.
Really excited.
Okay, so free instant download. Let's click it, and there it is. Enter your email, free instant download, checkbox, picture. I can change the picture size a little bit, etc., to make it so that it fits better. Let me pause the video.
That really were meant.
Okay, and YouTube has gotten way cooler looking, which is awesome. You can see down here. Love the new YouTube video player. It just looks great. The border I added, I don't love. That's on the sides here and kind of around down the bottom. But that's the deal. When people scroll over the video, the bar gets out of the way. When people want to get to the bar, they can get to the bar and click that for the pop-up. Pretty cool deal. Of course, it doesn't have to be a pop-up. It can redirect. It can be a direct download button. It can be a redirect to a different page with an opt-in. It can be anything you want. It can be a link to anything that you want. But that's pretty much the deal. And that's the plugin that we're doing today. This is the premium version. The non-premium version cannot do restricted videos, which I don't see really a need for anyways. I suppose it could be kind of a way to get people to be members, but most membership plugins have that kind of teaser element anyways. And then that's pretty much it. What you're missing is the opt-in form, which is the most important part probably, because you want to build a list. So you can add an opt-in form. You can also change the color of the button, etc. Everything is pretty much fully customizable. So that is two profit maximizers, what I like to call it. And that's the deal. So I hope you enjoyed watching how to use it.